So students, let's start our computer class. We had started chapter 5 in our last class, and let's start the chapter. Let me explain you all these things of this chapter. Let me explain you this chapter first. Open your book and try to understand about MS PowerPoint. Let me show you that MS PowerPoint on your screen, that how it looks like. Yes, I hope that you all can see the screen. This is MS PowerPoint window. Understand, this is MS PowerPoint window. So for making slide, we just have to click here, new slide option. There will be many themes will come. Whichever is suitable, we can select. It will come here. Understand? Open page number 59, starting MS PowerPoint, the 6th point is given. The 6th point is given. To add a new slide, click the new slide icon in the home group. This is home group. You can see over here. And here is the new slide option. And we just have to click here. We can add a new slide like this. And the desired theme, whichever we want, many themes are there. Many themes, whichever we want. If we want this one, then we can add this one. We want this one, we can add this. This one, whichever theme we want, we can add it. Opening an existing presentation, you can open existing presentation. You have to move to the file tab, and then you have to open. The shortcut is Ctrl+O. Saving a presentation. How to save a presentation? How to save a presentation? You just have to do Ctrl+S, or you can open file tab and save. Click save. Your presentation is saved. Closing a presentation, Ctrl+W, or you can put your cursor here cross. Your presentation will be closed. Next, the important point, formatting slides. How to format slides? Page number 61. A presentation is a collection of slides which is given here. A slide is an individual page on which you can insert picture. So this is what is presentation. The definition of presentation is already given here, and the definition of slide is also given. What is slide layout? Slide layout is a method of arrangement of different elements on slide. Different arrangement we can add on slide. Here you can see in the slide layout option. Here is the layout option is given. You can see layout. Can you see? Just nod your head. Nod. Just do your head like this so that I can understand this. Yes, ma'am. Yes, you can see this. This is layout option. You just have to click here and you can find out any theme again. Understand? Next, as you can see here, this is layout complete. Page number 63, editing text. How to edit text here? Just as MS Word. All the, I can say most of the settings, most of the things are of MS Word. We just have to, most of the steps are of MS Word. For writing anything, for editing anything, for copying, moving, many things they are, we have to follow the instructions, all the steps of MS Word as we studied earlier. Copying text, how to copy text? Click on the home tab, click the copy icon. You can see here, click the copy icon. If you want to write out anything like Geeta Jyoti School, we have written. We just have to Copy. We select that first and then we can see the copy of our option here. Just have to copy and here we can paste that option. And Control V from keyboard. Control plus C is for copy. Control plus V is for paste. Moving. How to move? Control plus X, or you just can cut it. Why this is Caesar is given here, which is the option of cut. We can cut here. Cut means from move this thing from here. Now move to the next, formatting text in slide. How to format text in slide? Whatever you have written, how to format that on your slide. Page number 64, formatting text in slide. Format Painter. How to format Painter? Go to the home tab. A format Painter icon. This is format Painter icon is given. Through this you can format a printer. Format your word, your slide, whatever you have written. Select the slide you want to apply. You have to select the whole slide and you have to just format the paper. Drag the mouse over the text to apply the format across the text. Here we have to select and we can format it. The font size will appear here. You can see here the size, which size you want. You want a small size, you want large size. This appear here. Through this you can change the slide, you can change the color of this. You make it bold, you make it italic. Understand? Whatever you want, you can do from here. You want to change the fonts, you can change from here. Shadow effect. Now, here you can see the shadow effect, how to add shadow effect. How can we add shadow effect? Select the text to apply shadow effect. We just have to select the text here if we want to apply that. We selected a text. Then we have to click on the home tab, page number 66. Click on the S button. You can see S button here. This is the icon of shadow effect. This icon is giving shadow effect to the your whatever you have written. Bullet and numberings. How can you get bullet and numberings? You can get bullet and numberings from here. The options are given here. In the home tab, you have in the paragraph, you will get bullet and numberings. Insert clip art. How can you insert any clip art? Well, we already studied how to insert clip art. For inserting clip art, we just have to click on the location of the slide. Insert. Click here and here you can see insert option. There is a clip art option. You just have to click on the clip art and whatever clip you want. You just have to write here like boy. If boy, I have written boy. Then you can find a picture of any boy. It's not coming here. There is some technical problem. Well, for adding this picture, you just have to click here, insert, and this picture will already be here. Understand? Same as it is insert picture from file. You just have to click on the insert group picture, and all the pictures will come here. Just have to select and insert. Your picture will be here. Understand? Whatever picture you choose, that will come here through insert picture. Insert shape. How can you insert? Just go in the insert option.
Ma'am,
Shapes option. Yes.
there is screenshot option also.
So let's move to the shapes option. Here you can see, from here you can add any shape, whichever you want. As I told you, as we studied on our last chapter, earlier chapter. Inserting shapes, inserting word art, page number 69. How to insert word art? I hope the smart art. This is word art. You can add any word here. To the word art option. You can change the word art through here by selecting them. First of all, select that and move to the word art. You will get whatever word art you want. Understand? Inserting sound. How to insert sound? There is a inserting sound option is also given. Any sound which is on your phone, on your computer, you can add here. Understand? Through this, you can add here. Move to the next page, page number 70. Inserting video. From insert option, you just click on movie option, which is given here, movie. You just have to add insert movie, and you can add a movie, any movie from here which is on your computer. जो भी आपके कंप्यूटर में मूवी होगी, you can add from here by clicking here. So students, I hope you understood. It was helpful for understanding MS PowerPoint, which I showed you here. Now let's move to the exercise. Now let's move to the exercise of this chapter. MS PowerPoint 2010. Tell me the answer of the first one. What is the collection of slides?
Ma'am, presentation. Ma'am, presentation.
Exactly. You got the answer from book also. It's written on your book. Answer is presentation. Next, dash is an individual page on which you can insert picture, text, charts.
Word art. Slide.
Slide. It's not word art, beta. It's slide. Slide is an individual page in which you can insert text. Dash is a method of arrangement of different elements on a slide.
Slide layout.
Yes.
Slide layout.
Exactly. Layout. Fourth, dash is a symbol that are added before each paragraph or paragraph.
Bullet.
Exactly.
Bullet. Bullet.
And the last one,
Bullet.
dash feature is used to insert text.
Word art. Word art.
Yes. I hope you all have done.
Yes, ma'am.
Now move to the next exercise. True or false? Numbering cannot be added to text in MS PowerPoint. True or false?
False. False.
False.
False.
Yes. You can save the presentation with the PPT extension. Yes, it's true.
True.
Slide
True.
layout can be applied only to new slides. True or false?
True.
False.
False.
Yes. Slide layout is applied for one slide only. No, we can add slide layout in any slide, any of the slide. Format painter is used to apply a format one slide to another slide to other slide in the presentation. It's true.
True.
You
True.
can insert clip art, picture, shapes, and word art to a slide. True or false? True.
Yes. True. True.
Yes.
True.
So, exercise A and B you have to do on your book. Question and answers means exercise C you have to complete on your notebook. Understand? Question number 1, from which tab will you select a theme for your presentation? This is very simple answer. From which tab will you select a theme for your presentation? Let me tell you the answer.
Ma'am, format printer. Format printer.
Which tab it is saying? From which tab? किस tab से हम? From which tab will you select a theme for your presentation? Theme.
Home tab.
Theme. So students, I hope you all can see the screen clearly. Let's write answer number 1 of question number 1. Question number 1 is, from which tab will you select a theme for your presentation? And the answer is here. From the design tab, we will select a theme for our presentation. Full stop. Question number 2. What are some of the editing tools that are common to both MS PowerPoint and MS Word? Let me tell you some of the editing tools that are common to both MS PowerPoint and MS Word are copying and moving text. Understand? Copying and moving text. They both options are common in MS PowerPoint and MS Word as well. Answer number 3. Question number 3 is, write the steps to change layout of a slide. So for this, write the steps to change the layout of slides. I hope you can find out this answer in your book. Well, open page number 62 of your book. To change the slide layout, follow the steps. Click the slide layout whose layout you want to change. Go to Home tab. You have to select. Let me show you the picture of your book. Here is your book. Page number 62. From here to change the slide layout, follow the steps up to slide will change. Fourth option here. Understand? Up to here is the answer number 3. Answer number 4, write the steps to insert a clip art on your slide. Write the steps to insert clip art. So for this, open page number 67. Write down, open page number 67. Here. You have to write down first to insert a clip art on your slide, follow the steps. You have to write this sentence first of all. Answer number 4, yes, is, write down this sentence first of all. To insert a clip art in your slide, comma, follow the steps, and then write down the steps which are given here on your board. Understand? After writing this, write down the steps which are given here on your board. Write down these steps up to where you have to write up to 6th step you have to write. Understand? Current slide, up to current slide, mark it. Up to current slide, page number 67, up to current slide you have to write. Have you marked?
Yes, ma'am.
Is
Yes, ma'am.
steps to insert sound on your slide.
Yes, ma'am.
How to insert sound on your slide? The steps are given here on page number 69. Inserting sound. To insert sound, let me show you that on your book also. Here you can see page number 69. This is from here. Write down from here. Mark from here. To insert sound, follow the steps. From here you have to write. Understand? All the steps which are given here, you have to write them. Write them all on your notebook. Up to step 6 you have to write. Understand? Up to here. Up to here you have to write. Okay? I think this chapter is completed. Well, I will, if you can write the question and answers from here, that's okay. Then I will send you all these answer and questions on your WhatsApp group. So student, that's all for today's class. Yes, yes.
Ma'am?
If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Yes.